Something really weird's happened here, isn't it? Hey, dogs. Security van and the dogs over there. No, it's not. Come on, Bobby, let's go party.
We'll do a full rendition in a bit.
We need to move up.
Can you see the dogs?
Yeah, I know, the dogs are in the car. Yeah. Right, so we've definitely got 24-hour security going on. I'll try and be a bit quiet, there's some dogs. Let's have a look in our vans, we need to move. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, give me a torch. Yeah. What's going on with this floor? Second one of the day. So, not massive this one. Yeah, a small one.
Little cupboard, pantry, kitchen.
But this isn't really the one we've come to see. This site is real big. This is just one of the houses on it. Fish gonna get some shots. We've got to be careful here because it says it's got 24/7 security. Camera going for our own protection. We'll move on. Don't know how far we're going to get. What's that then? Oh, it's another one. So it's one of the weirdest sights we've seen. Yeah, it's a, I think there's a public footpath here. Mm-hmm. So that little building is where the cash guy was, yeah.
Do no harm here, are we?
No. Fucking duck. Cunt. So if there was security in the shed, I said if there was security in the shed,
Yeah.
the birds just as you can see, well, as far as the eye can see, there's houses. Yeah. Just having a look around, the cameras, etc. So that, yeah, they're all boarded. Bizarre. It's like something went badly wrong.
Yeah. This reminds me of like Chernobyl. Very interesting, weird scenario here because it's basically a village and every single house sheeted up. Yeah, I know. I have barbs. Yeah, I know the signal is a bit weak. I do apologise. It's a bit in the middle of nowhere. Pixelated as well. I know. I do apologise. I didn't bring my signal booster with me.
We are right in the sticks as well.
There's another couple of houses.
It's houses as far as the eye can see, I just can't. It's bizarre. It is like a village completely abandoned. Gotta be real careful. There's supposed to be security on site, so just look at this. We're just going to do the perimeter for now because obviously we're trying to work out what's going on, where the security might be.
We're stuck in these farm fields, we can't go wrong. Well, even the power has been disconnected from there.
Yeah.
It's all good, better now, cool, good place. Alright, glad the signal's picked up a little bit.
Stick with this. This is a massive, massive explore.
We don't know how much more. It reminds me of Chernobyl.
It is bizarre. It's like a council estate.
It's like a whole estate.
Just windows on that one.
Windows open down there.
Shall I peer in? big. So yeah, so. Next door's open. This place is weird. So the houses are all pretty much the same at this point. So these are all like little council houses.
Yeah.
It's really weird. Really strange. Did you get that bog? That's an awesome colour.
Yes,
This is unreal.
next door, so.
So, that one was open. Any shout outs on there, mate?
Barbed is watching. Ensued, I know. Lloyd is watching. Well, was watching.